I noticed on my pop-up camper, this is kind of gross, so I'm assuming I can take these on the top and get to that panel, sand that down and paint it, so I'll let you know. Alright, so I took off the top two, side two, and back two, and this top, the door, of course, not come off easy now. There we go. Comes right off, and then get access to that panel. So, gotta figure out what else to put in there. Front panel looks good. Kinda. That's the nasty wood on the bottom. So let's redo that. So let's clean that rotten wood out of the, and caulk out of the seam here. I got both pieces out of the door. If you ever wondered what was in the door, there you go. It's Palomino Gold, year 2000. But once I get all that out of there, I think I'm going to put the same thing I put on the floor on the back of this and just slide it in. So it's going to be my fix for now, and I'll figure out more things as I go. I got the old door here and my panels, just making sure I had enough to cover it, and I do. So that'll be the new backing to my door in my trailer. So I traced it out on my flooring, scored it, and after you score the back of this stuff, it just bends and snaps right off. So when you pick it up, you bend it as long as you score it, and then you just flop it till it pulls right off. It is. Doors in, all set. Screws are back in. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, share. Look at some of my other videos. Do a lot besides this kind of handyman stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot more work on this camper as the days go on.